Fix we can't find your camera or error 0xA00F4244 in Windows 10 or 11. So if you are facing this issue, don't worry. I will show you some quick and effective methods to fix this error. First of all, we are going to check if the camera is really working, if it's really showing up the error. So the way that we do here, you will go on camera, right camera, you open the app camera, and as you can see my camera is working. I pointed her to the wall, of course, but it's working. As you can see my hand right here. So for me it's not happening this error, but for you it is. So what we are gonna do is the method number 2. So the method number 2, guys, is check the camera driver. So first let's check if your camera driver is up to date or installing correctly. Okay, so open the device manager, and to do that we are going to click right here on start with the right button and go on device manager. You're going to wait to this part to open and find the imaging devices, or you can just go on cameras, clicks to expand, and right here click the right button and go on update driver. Note that if you have a laptop, probably there will be two options right here if you have a camera that is plugged in your computer. If you don't, you just have the one that you already have on the laptop or the one that you already plugged. So click the right button on it, go on update like I did, and go on search automatically for drives. For me, the best driver for my device are already installed. Okay, you can go on search for update drivers on Windows Update, and if it doesn't find any, you can go on Google, go on camera drive update, and for you to know the drive that your camera have, it's very important to go right here, go on properties, go on drive, you can go on detail. It doesn't appear right here, like it's not appearing for me. You can go on drive details. Okay, for me it's not showing up. So what we are going to do is go back on Google. We are going to search how to check motherboard model by CMD. You're gonna copy this thing right here. Copy. Gonna press Windows plus R. You're gonna write CMD. If the CMD opened, you're going to click apply, paste, and here you have the model of your motherboard. So here on the first search that you put it, camera drive update, you're going to put P. You're going to put the name, the model of your motherboard. You're going to open the first one, go down below until you find utilities. When you find utilities, you're going to download. It can take a little bit of time. Then you're going to stop. When you finish installing, what you're gonna do is test your camera. So to test your camera, like I did in the beginning, you're going to click Windows, go right camera, and test if it works. If it's working and it's not giving the error that we talked about earlier. So this was the second method. The third method is enable camera and privacy settings. So if the camera is working properly but Windows still can't detect it, it may be a privacy settings issue. Open Windows settings, go to privacy, go on camera right here, and make sure the option allow app to access your camera is enabled. If it's off, click on. Ensure that the app you are trying to use has the permission to access the camera, okay, like the apps that are showing right here. Once that's done, try to open the app again and see if the error persists. So the method number 4, guys, is check camera connection settings. If you are using an external camera, the connection might not be working properly. So check if the USB cable is securely connected or if the camera is correctly plugged into the computer port. So if possible, test the camera on another computer to ensure it's not defective. If it's a built-in camera like a laptop, try restarting the camera and see if the device is recognized correctly. Okay, so another thing that I can tell you, I'm going to Google. I'm going on Google right here just to show you guys model computer. Let's put a computer. That would be a good example. You never try to put in the front because on the front is not connected to the motherboard, so it can cause a little bit of error. So when you are trying to do that, you can see right here that that's a motherboard. Okay, the motherboard has entries in the back but not in the front. Some of them has right here, but it's not the case. It's very difficult and hard to have, so you always have to put in the back. The way you can make sure and ensure that it's working properly and connected to the motherboard itself. Okay, so that's another tip that I'm going to give you guys. So the next method is reset the camera app. If the issue persists, you may need to reset the Windows camera app. So go to settings again, go on apps, find the camera, you can just right here, click on the right button in it. You can go in advanced options, see if everything is plugged right here, and go on reset. It says that it will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign details. Just press reset. After reset, restart the computer. Okay, so these were the methods to fix the camera not found error in Windows 10 and 11, and I hope all of those methods work for you. If the problem continues, it may be necessary to consult a specialized technician. So leave a comment below if you have any questions, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. See you in the next video, and thanks for watching. See you soon.